DJ Thieves, welcome to the gutter.
DJ Thieves, welcome to the gutter DVD. We're recording off my iPhone 4. For all you wondering why the screen messed up. My iPhone 4 broke. I dropped it. Long story short, I dropped it. We recording live in the Tombs. Oh, so gutter. Getting the show CD finally done. Cutting the script till I sprain my wrist. Going down. We in here.
Yo, boy, this your man Dickerless Cage. We down here at the Sound Scan, doing it real big tonight at Pete's. Me and my boy D, Kane. And basically we about to tear it up. This is how shit looking real good tonight. As y'all can see, this is where everybody gonna be. We gonna be right here. We gonna rip it down for show. Y'all already know what it is. So enjoy the show. Sneaky Pete's, Friday the 13th. Come out, man.
DJ Thieves, me in the building. Sound check. It's going down. Performance Friday the 13th. We not playing Jason, but it's definitely go down. DJ Thieves is definitely in the building. Killa, the block star, was really good, man. Niggas already know. It's a sound check. Dick, put the mic down. It's right there. Yo. Boy, you gotta turn the power on. Yeah. Now put the power on. Alright.
That's great. You look like you on standby.
Yeah. Boy. There we go. Yo. There's only one mic on right now. You only got one mic on. What?
Yo, listen, he show up like cold running when it's big time. 15 Killa, evil dollar, some gang sign. I'm going hard for moms, nigga, no play. Killa backing up and Killa like he OJ. A rock star, we got the E with Coldplay. And these fuck niggas know the whole my niggas oh yeah, I don't fuck with you niggas no way. The back to his chest to be the step when the vote spray. Shit, or shit I might just put the nines on or chip stars.